I read it rapidly, please watch it. Stomata regulates gas exchange and transpiration. Each stoma consists of two guard cells. Structure of guard cells. Functions. Kidney shaped cells, thick inner wall, thin outer wall. Mechanism of stomatal opening. Main factor. Increases guard cell turgor pressure. Blue light activates phototropins. It also activates proton ATPase in guard cells. Proton pumping outside. Membrane hyperpolarization is happening now. Potassium ions enter into the guard cells. Accumulation of malate and chlorine is happening now. Water enters by osmosis. Guard cells become turgid. Now stomata is opened. We can call it as also turgid. Stomatal closure. It is a reverse process. What happens? When it will be happen? When there will be drought. That means there is no water for long days. In darkness there is no photosynthesis. Only respiration is needed. Okay. ABA hormone. If there is ABA hormone, that means abscisic acid hormone. How it works? ABA increases calcium concentrations. Activation of anion channels. Efflux of potassium ions. Water leaves the cells. Efflux means going out. Influx means going inside. Guard cells become flaccid. Turgid, flaccid. They are opposite words, okay? Turgid means pressure. Flaccid means no pressure. So there is flaccid and stomata is closed, okay? Photoperiodism. What is photoperiodism? The response to the daylight and night light. It is discovered by Garner and Allard in 1920. It is a response of plants to the relative lengths of day and night light, okay? Types of plants. There are plants based on the exposure of light. What are they? Short day plants, long day plants, day neutral plants. Short day plants have long nights and short day times. Long day plants have reverse. Okay, short nights, long days. Day neutral plants have independent day of length. So they are not short day, long day, they are different. Examples for short day plants are rice, chrysanthemum. Examples for long day plants are wheat, barley. Examples for day neutral plants is tomato, cucumber. Remember them, there is no alternative for remembering. Biological clocks, circadian rhythm. Plants possess an internal time. So they have internal clock, okay. Properties, 24-hour periodicity, temperature compensated, entrained by light. So they response to the light. Molecular mechanisms. In Arabidopsis plant, the clock involves feedback loops among the genes. Core genes are CCA1, LHY, TOC1. Mechanism. Morning, CCA1 and LHY represses. Repress means inactivity. Represses TOC1. Evening, TOC represses CCA1. Okay, so in daytime what happens? TOC is repressed. In nighttime CC1 or LHY repressed. This feedback loop reproduces circadian oscillations. So they are like clock oscillations. Okay, moving towards forward and moving towards backward. Importance of biological clocks. Circadian rhythm controls leaf movements, stomatal opening, photosynthesis, flowering time, hormone synthesis. These are the functions. CSIR NET important points. PFR, that means which observes far red light. The active form of phytochrome. It is an active form, okay. Phytochrome controls red and far red light responses. Remember it. Cryptochrome detects blue light. Okay, phototropins regulate stomatal opening. Here every dude has specific activity. Photoperiodism depends mainly on night length. Circadian clocks genes are CC1, LHY, TOC1. Finally, we have completed sensory photobiology. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my videos.